I used to think making money while you sleep was a scam invented by internet gurus selling lifestyle courses. It sounded too good to be true. I assumed the only way to build income was the traditional formula. Trade 1 hour of your life for a fixed dollar amount, repeat that 40 hours a week, and hope you have enough energy left to enjoy the weekend. Then I hit a wall. Working 50 hours a week while watching inflation quietly erode my purchasing power made me realize something painful. If your income stops the second your hands leave the keyboard, you're always one unexpected event away from financial disaster. According to recent economic data, over 60% of working Americans are living paycheck to paycheck regardless of how hard they work. The problem isn't a lack of effort. The problem is relying on a single linear income source. To build real stability today, you have to transition from trading time for money to building scalable assets, systems that generate cash flow regardless of whether you are sitting at a desk, traveling, or fast asleep. But most listicles online recommend terrible ideas that require thousands of dollars in startup capital or flat out don't work. Here are 11 legitimate businesses and cash-flowing assets that can make money on autopilot, backed by real market data. First, digital media assets and niche content publishing. Instead of trading hours for client work, you build an audience around a specific problem once. Whether it's an educational video channel, a specialized newsletter, or digital resource library, digital content operates on zero marginal cost of reproduction. According to Goldman Sachs research, the global creator economy market size is projected to approach $500 billion. Once an educational asset is published, viewers across the globe consume it 24 hours a day, generating programmatic ad revenue, affiliate income, and digital product sales without any active manual labor. Second, automated print-on-demand e-commerce. Traditional retail requires holding expensive physical inventory, renting warehouse space, and managing shipping logistics. Print-on-demand flips the entire model. You upload custom vector artwork or digital designs to a platform linked to your storefront. When a customer places an order, a third-party supplier automatically prints, packages, and ships the product directly to their doorstep. You keep the margin between the retail price and the production cost, while fulfillment happens entirely in the background. Third, high-yield cash flow storage. Leaving your liquid cash sitting in a traditional brick-and-mortar savings account earning a fraction of a percent is effectively losing money to inflation every single day. By moving your core liquidity reserve into high-yield automated accounts or short-term Treasury management funds yielding 4 to 5% annually, your baseline capital works for you continuously. On a $20,000 cash reserve, that simple structural shift generates roughly $1,000 in completely passive dividend returns with zero effort. Fourth, software as a service and micro tools. Building a simple web application, browser extension, or digital utility that solves a recurring operational headache for business owners creates monthly recurring revenue. Unlike physical products that need restocked, digital software code executes automatically whenever a user logs in. With high profit margins and predictable recurring billing models, software assets yield cash flow continuously once the core functionality is built and launched. Fifth, digital templates and workflow systems. Every day, millions of professionals waste hours building project tracking tools, design assets, or business documents from scratch. Packaging your professional expertise into downloadable, plug-and-play digital assets like graphic design kits, document frameworks, or productivity workflows allows you to sell digital solutions endlessly. You upload the digital file once, set up an automated payment gateway, and customers download the asset instantly worldwide. Sixth, broad market dividend portfolio engineering. Investing in established dividend-paying companies or high-yield index funds allows you to own a direct piece of global productivity. When companies like Apple, Procter & Gamble, or Microsoft generate profits, they distribute a portion of those earnings back to shareholders in cash quarterly. By setting up an automatic dividend reinvestment plan, those payouts automatically purchase additional shares for you, compounding your portfolio growth behind the scenes. Seventh, digital licensing and IP royalties. If you produce creative assets such as stock photography, background audio tracks, 3D models, or graphic illustrations, you can license them through global digital asset marketplaces. Every time a marketing agency, video editor, or web developer downloads your asset to use in a commercial project, you earn a royalty fee. A single high-quality asset can generate recurring monthly licensing fees for years. Eighth, automated affiliate content systems. Rather than creating physical goods, you act as a digital bridge between consumers and proven products. By producing search-optimized reviews, buying guides, or educational breakdowns for specialized products, you integrate custom referral links. When a reader clicks your link and makes a purchase, the retailer pays you a percentage commission. With thousands of search queries happening every second, well-ranked content generates passive referral fees around the clock. Ninth, vending and automated micro-retail. For those who prefer physical assets, micro-vending offers a predictable cash-flowing footprint. Modern vending machines feature contactless digital payments, remote inventory monitoring, and automated temperature controls. Placing machines in high foot traffic locations like medical centers, distribution warehouses, or office complexes allows you to collect digital payments daily while only restocking inventory once or twice a month. 10th, fractional real estate equity. Traditional real estate investing requires massive down payments, mortgage underwriting, and handling late-night tenant maintenance calls. Fractional real estate platforms allow you to buy equity shares in commercial or residential rental properties for as little as a few $100s. Professional property managers handle maintenance, rent collection, and tenant placement, while rental yields and property appreciation are deposited directly into your account. 11th, self-storage unit facilities. Self-storage is one of the most operationally efficient physical real estate assets in North America. With keyless digital keypad access, automated online lease signing, and recurring credit card billing, modern storage facilities run with minimal physical staffing. Overhead costs remain low because there are no complex plumbing systems, appliances, or furnished interiors to maintain, providing stable, long-term rental cash flow. Building these passive revenue streams doesn't happen overnight, and it isn't magic. It requires upfront labor, strategic discipline, and cold, hard execution. But once you transition from trading your time for a paycheck to owning scalable systems, your financial foundation changes forever. Stop trading all your time for scraps. Pick one asset class, build the system, and let automation do the heavy lifting for you.